ਹਾਂਜੀ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਮੱਕੜ ਆਈਲੈਟਸ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਏ ਪੈਟ ਔਰ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਕਾਮਨ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਕੰਟਰੀ। What it is, describe it briefly, why you like or dislike the pet or animal, and describe something interesting about this pet or animal you know about। ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Thanks to give me such an interesting cue card topic. There are number of animals and birds that is kept by people in India, but the dog is highly popular pet than all of it. I would like to describe briefly on this animal. Dog is the animal who that is so brave for his owners. It has also feelings like human beings. A dog is the best friend of person because it takes care of a person's house more than a security guard, and also help his owner to remove stress by playing and showing affection to him. There are number of breedings of dog in this world, but some of these are much popular like German Shepherd, Labra, Pug, Steinberned, etc. I love the breeding pit bull the most. It is a fighter type dog and strong than all the breeding of dog. It is much dangerous once it bite anyone. It becomes difficult to get rid of his attack. Nowadays, it has become so popular in Punjab. The main thing I like the most in this type of dog is that no thief can come to your home if you own this breeding. In this sophisticated world, only a dog can be your best friend on who you can live in and spend your luxury time to remove stress.